Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Cardano for the month of December? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if it was right or see if it was wrong. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, you got last month's guess wrong, so let's run it back for December. This time we are guessing the price of Cardano ADA for December 2025. Right now ADA is sitting at around 38 cents. Look back at ADA's historical performance in December since it first launched. Has December usually been a positive or negative month for ADA? Give me 3 guesses for December 2025. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess, aka the standard guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. And we have the official answer for December. Hopefully it's right because it seems like it's going to be a super bullish month. Based on past data, December is often a positive/bullish month for ADA. Some analysts even cite an average growth of around 66.8% for December, which I think we can use all a little green for this holiday/Christmas season. But here's the guesses. December 2025 price guess. Current price 38 cents. Bullish guess is 62 cents, range of 58 to 66 cents. The official guess, this is the guess that counts, this is the guess that matters, 52 cents, range 49 cents to 55 cents. Bearish guess, if everything goes wrong, bad, terrible in the world, 45 cents, range 42 to 48. So the way ChatGPT sees it, no matter what happens this month, we are going up. So hopefully it is right, because I think, like I said, we can all use that Christmas cheer and see a green month. But with that being said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you think we're going to see a positive month? Do you think we're going to see a negative month? I'm really curious. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.